Hello everyone, this is Kapil Sangvi with Pact Publishing and welcome to Scala Projects. First of all, I will introduce myself. I am the author for this course. I am Scala developer from Java background. I am saying Java background because I started my career as a Java developer with a well-known organization in India. There, I worked for almost 3.5 years for different clients and for different projects. After that, I moved to London for my master's degree. I completed my master's in January 2015 and that's when I started working as a Scala developer. Currently, I do have almost 7+ years of experience working with different clients and different projects, altogether Java and Scala programming languages. While working on Scala, I've worked on mostly Akka and Play framework-based commercial applications. The course overview. With this course, what we will learn. So with the section 1, we will start looking at product catalog listing app implementation using Play framework, in which we'll talk about very basic concepts of Play framework and how we can use Play framework to start developing an application from scratch. With the section 2, we will start looking at customer data entry application using Play framework again. So this application will be looking at establishing a database connection with Slick JDBC and more complex implementations of Play framework. Then we will move on to section 3, in which we will start with Akka framework and we will build a very basic implementation of message passing pattern, and we will try to develop a string processing application to get the word count for strings provided. After that, section 4 will be another complex application using Akka framework to simulate the very famous Java multithreading example of ping-pong actors. The last section would be section 5, in which we will talk about various concepts of Akka framework to solve concurrency issues in Dining Philosophers in Humus problem, and we will also look at the non-blocking behavior of actors in Akka. What are the prerequisites for this course? You need very basic understanding of Scala language syntax. Some idea about Play framework and Akka framework would be advantageous, but not mandatory for this course. And the goals. Again, these all goals will be derived as we develop applications in each section. So with first few sections, we will be looking at Play framework application. So we will be building a Scala application from scratch using Play framework, and we will be performing some database operations using Slick JDBC. After that, using message passing pattern between Akka actors, we'll be implementing another application to provide a word count for every string processed by the application. We will also learn features of Akka such as futures, await, timeout, and ask pattern. As I mentioned before, we'll be looking at Java multithreading example simulation called ping-pong actors using Scala and Akka. We will try to solve a concurrency issue and we will explore non-blocking behavior of an actor system.